Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head.
And over here. Okay, good. Now we are going to Chrome button. Protected zone, anticipate milling. Actually, I prefer this to 0 because sometimes we have problem with. Oh my gosh. In case that you turn the protected zone, you have problem with some gaps. I prefer to have gaps, but not having problem with result that is not sitting. And in some cases you need to have special parts like this, like this. I prefer to have more space on the sharp edges because we have problem with the sharp edges. So as you can see in the cut, I have more space on where the sharp edges may be or maybe not in the sink. And of course I prefer 20 microns of gap everywhere because we have cement, and in the final result, in case that we didn't have this kind of space, the cement doesn't let us to have our crown seated perfectly. Okay, and yeah, this is new. This one was not before. And of course you can change the lingual and buckle. Of course this is not the one that we want. The first thing that the software gave us was good. You can scale it. I hold the shift, I hold the control, as you can see over here. I can rotate it. Or this is new, I didn't see this in last version. Yeah, I can do this. Beautiful, I like this. This is the way you can do your jobs perfectly. And in case that I hold both of them, I can scale in direction that I need. And the one thing that I missed, yeah, thank you exocad. This is perfect. Oh my gosh, look at this, look at this. This was something that I thought, why the exocad doesn't do this. This update rocks. Thank you exocad. This update is perfect, and I think this is one of the most useful features that every dental CAD should have. Of course you can use different kind of libraries, but it's far easier to perform this on your own. Okay, and as you can see in this freeform, you can freeform every piece.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head.